Morning guys. So today, pupunta tayo sa bahay ng sister-in-law. Doon kami lunch last dinner. So, baba tayo kasi mag-ready ako ng lulutuin. Yung mag-ama ko naglaro ng PS4. Chillax day.
Chillax day.
Yeah.
Playing golf.
What are you playing?
Playing golf.
Georgie, you finished your milk lab?
Yep.
Okay. I'll cook your chicken so you can have a snack. Yeah? You can have a snack chicken before we go.
Look at that rough, George. I'm in the jungle.
It's nearly finished. Oh. Si Georgie sumisinyas-sinyas pa. Ayaw niya tapusin yung Nesquik. Kasi nagustuhan niya yung Nesquik. So, ito yung nabili kong chicken wings. Binabad ko na siya kagabi. Lagyan ko ng bawang. Tapos lagyan ko na siya ng itlog para ready to prituhin ba. Tapos sprinklean ko lang ng konting flour para pang-crispy. Tapos nagpakulo din ako ng munggo para may ulam si Georgie bukas. O mamaya pag-uwi namin. Tapos nagprito tayo ng manok as usual. So, dahil wala tayong crispy fry meats, yung sa chicken, titimpla tayo. Gagawa tayo ng sarili nating timpla. Para sa para kay Georgie. Kung mayroon yung So, time to cook. Ang tawag nito, konting salt, tapos paminta, garlic powder, and fish sauce. So, yun ang ating pambabad. Kasi, paglagyan mo ng fish sauce, siya, mas malasa. Kunti lang kasi baka maalatan ba. Tapos, prituhin ko na din yung spring roll na binalot na kahapon. Kasi magluluto ako ng munggo. You finished, love? You feel a bit sick, eh? Oh, grabe siya. Kunti-kunti na lang, eh. Just a little bit less. You didn't finish it.
Banana.
Catch my back, please, love. Say good morning to the vlog.
Morning vlog. Hi.
Oh, ang sarap. Kamutin mo, love. Do not tickle me, no, because I'm slicing the onion. Might cut myself. Oh, Georgie, your nails is so sharp. You need to cut it, no? You need to cut it after you shower.
What chicken are you making for me?
Your favorite, as usual.
Did you have the powder?
No, I'll make my own.
No.
We don't have the powder.
You could have bought it.
No, I tried, but they don't have a stock.
That would have stopped giving.
So siguro pag na lang, if Ate Rachel going to Philippines, we'll ask Ate Rachel to buy more. Yeah, so we have a stock. Yun na lang siguro papabili ko kay Rachel pala. Or kung sino mo yung uwi ng Pinas, magpapabili ako ng crispy fried chicken kasi masarap siya sa manok talaga, guys. Pero hindi ko siya hinahalo ng ng buo ba. I got one here. See? Itong nabili ko kasi spicy. Ito na lang yung naiwan. So this one is spicy, love.
I don't mind.
Sure?
Yeah.
But daddy don't eat spicy, no? So anyway,
What's for breakfast?
Oh, you eat your donut? So, yung crispy fry original, yun yung favorite ni, ni Georgie. Pati si Mr. gusto nila yung, yung lasa ng chicken. Pero naubusan ako ng original. Ito na lang yung natira. Super spicy nito. Make sure you don't spill the food, no? Okay ka dyan. So, pag gagamit ako nito, guys, kahit yung original, hinaluan ko siya ng flour. Hindi siya puro na minimix ko kasi maalat. Kasi maalat siya. Ayan na po ang ating nalutong chicken. Half cook ko lang yan, guys, kasi pati itong kasi air fryer yan eh. Bigay ko yan sa sister-in-law ko. Tapos yung chicken din, kay Georgie yan, instead of chicken nuggets, gumawa ako ng sarili kong chicken strip. Tapos, ilagay ko lang siya sa freezer para pambaon niya. Yung ito, niluto ko ng ito, yung mga naka-brown, niluto ko na kasi kakain daw siya. Kakainin ko bago kami punta kay sister-in-law. Crispy niya. Ganda ng ng outcome pag nilagyan mo ng itlog. Ganda na kulay ng ating manok, guys. Ganda. Ayan, pinapakain ko muna si Georgie. Yan. Kain muna, no? Blow, kasi mainit. Yung fruits dadalhin natin, guys. Yan. Uy. Tapos ito yung chicken. Tapos yung chicken ni Georgie sa ilalim. Tapos yan. Tapos yan sa sister-in-law. Isa sila. Dalhin namin yan. Pati yung sauce. Now, we have to get ready. You wanna take banana with us, yeah? Yeah. Take the banana. Kasi hinog na, oh. Right, let's go have a shower. Hi guys. Ayan, ready na tayo, no? Alis kami ng mga 2 o'clock. So, habang naghintay ng oras, naglaro muna ako ng aking Monopoly. Adik habang nanood ng final ng tennis. Tennis final.
Which car?
Mommy's car. Alis na kami, guys. Bango mo, lab, ay. What did you spray?
I don't remember.
Hey, look.
What?
Stop loaded up.
This is all the stuff we're taking?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then all the food's in the front.
You need to remove the cover, lab.
I forgot to take off the cover.
Dito na tayo, guys. Ito yung bahay ni sister-in-law. Ooh, look at the beautiful sunflower. Ang ganda. Kita yung sunflower na yan. Thank you, mother. Where's your cover of your iPad, love?
Oh yeah. My iPad is slipping out of my hand.
Get the cover. Bring the cover.
I'll do.
Where are you going, oy? The house is here.
Come on in this lovely hot day.
Hello. It's very hot.
How are you? You're looking very well. How are you?
Oh, let's see your lovely garden.
How are you?
Good, good. You right?
All
I
good,
bought a
man.
new t-shirt yesterday.
Have you?
Yeah.
That's not as nice as mine. Mine's got rabbits on. Well, they're all underground at the moment.
It's invisible
They're all
rabbit.
sleeping underground.
This is my Dubai Jeep.
I picked it
Why
for
did you-
Daddy. I picked it.
Go so we can shut the door.
I've got to get all the stuff out of the car.
You can leave your
I've got loads of stuff to get out of the car.
Ayaw nga pala.
You put your stuff wherever you want.
Sound machine.
Get the key.
I'll come and give it a...
Okay.
What happened?
It's not nice.
Ooh. Is this the same? You trim it?
I trimmed it and it's grown back.
Ah, that's nice.
On my foot, I still have my socks on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Daughter.
Yeah, your floor, it might
Why?
be hot on your feet.
Daughter.
Yeah, I just said hot on the feet.
I don't need hot yet. It's still a bit
You
cooler.
asked for. Right.
Yeah. It blows through.
So,
Ganda ng garden nila guys, no?
because you can either use them in the garage.
You're relaxing there, no?
Yeah, but my wife.
The Mel planted them all.
For my wife, her raised flower bed has got one here, one here, one here.
yeah,
and I've
because-
gone, why don't you fill the gaps?
Yeah,
no,
you've got
you
to
can't
get it
put
all
them.
in.
You can't put them close together because they need to spread and grow.
No, that's rubbish.
So rubbish. See, thank you.
Not that far
I mean,
apart.
how many think we got in there? We got loads in there, and they're all crammed in.
Yeah.
And
You
look, it's
film it.
lovely.
Yeah, I'm filming you.
It's all in.
Yeah, the more you put in, isn't it? The more it will.
See, that's what I
And the
said.
tall green ones we got from Dance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As
But
long
they
as
haven't
it's
flowered.
deep enough for the.
Oh, ours
for the
have come up
roots
different
to go
colours. Yeah,
down.
So we've had pinks and yellows and whites.
Yeah, the bulbs,
I
yeah.
like flowers. So whether because we had them against the wall the other day.
Yeah,
So Mel said, let's put them there just to see.
and one flower.
Yeah, all
Yeah.
those flowers.
Well, is that the deep red one?
We've got some yellow ones at the moment.
Yeah, ours is flowery already.
They're flowering now.
Yeah.
Here's your drink, brother.
Is that mine? Oh, thank you for the drink, though.
Dad, we planted them.
Very
It's nice kaya.
sour. Was it sour?
It's a little bit sour. It's green, yellow and green.
Yeah.
So, it's a fruit. Sarap?
Yummy. So refreshing. It's already been delivered to my house, so
Oh, is it?
yeah. So that's
Well, you can always drop it in when you're going to work. Just put, if I'm not there, just put it through that box.
So it's your turn.
How many have you got?
Georgie just put one.
Ah.
close.
And that
You
one.
got two. Yes,
And
yes.
that one.
She did pay me this, right?
I've got one
Oh,
left.
shit. Okay.
I'll give away.
Never mind.
Hi guys, pauwi na kami guys, no? Tapos si Georgie, nagpa-connect siya ng sunglasses with Bluetooth. Akala namin nakikinig pa ng music. Tingnan niyo yung tsura. Knockout.
You're scared.
Do your face acting.
Today on the
Go like that.
I wanna know man's land.
Gising na pala siya guys, nagulat. Kumanta na.
Inferno.
Ha?
Inferno.
No halo. Na.
Hey, love. So, it's videoing. It's embarrassing.
No, it's not because you have to used to it because in your PQA they got a camera when you do the film, right?
Yeah, that's different.
It's the same. Just pretend.
No. It's different, mommy.
Arte nito. Go back door, Georgie. Hoy, back door. She cannot hear me pala kay... Back door, oh, daddy open the back door. And guys, sa bahay na tayo. Super init kanina guys. Buti na lang yung garden nila is nasa ano ba? May shade. So, medyo mahangin-hangin konti. Pero nung kanina, hindi na ako naka-video nung kainan na kami kasi yung pagkain nandun sa loob ng dining table. Na-distract na ako sa pagkain kasi nagutom na ako Hindi nga. So, ganun lang ako guys, pag kami, mag-get together, upo lang ako sa gilid. Makikinig lang ako sa usapin nila. Nakipag-usap ako pag tatanungin lang nila ako. Kasi mahirap mag-interrupt ba? O mag-interfere ba? Pag, alam mo yun, yung hindi ko alam kung ano yung unang sasabihin. Alam mo yun? Or hindi lang talaga ako sanay. Pero pag once na naumpisahan akong magchika-chika, lumalaban din tayo sa Inglesan, ano. Pagkasama ko din si Mr. siya yung spokesperson ko eh. Si Mr. yung spokesperson ko. So, pag uwi namin, ayan, siyempre, hugas tayo ng ating, ano no, ginamitan kanina. Tapos, maglinis kasi yung, ano, yung cooker is napakadumi. Anong oras na ba? Time check, 7:30, school tomorrow. Back to our normal routine. School run, work, mother's duty, wife duty. Wala talaga. So, yan lang po ang ating video for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!